Potholes, pain, and now a price tag. A Bengaluru man had enough, so he slapped the BBMP with a Rs 50 lakh legal notice for the trauma caused by the city's crumbling roads. Divya Kiran, a 43-year-old resident of Richmond town, took the civic body to task. He sent a legal notice demanding compensation for the physical pain and emotional stress he claimed to have endured due to Bengaluru's broken roads. He said he was a law-abiding, tax-paying citizen, yet he was made to suffer every single day. His notice accused the BBMP of a blatant failure to maintain basic civic infrastructure. He pointed to deep potholes, uneven pathways, and roads that were impossible to drive on. According to the notice, the poor road conditions caused Kiran severe neck and back pain. Doctors linked his injuries to the jerks and jolts he experienced while commuting. He had to make 5 visits to the orthopedic specialists. But Kiran was not the only one who had suffered. India Today took to the streets to hear what Bengaluru's residents had to say. One citizen spoke about the constant digging.
They have been working, like they just break the roads and then reconstruct it, but it's not working it well. And it's very difficult for us to commute to our places every single day.
Another resident supported the concern and demanded action.
Near the metro construction area, it is a mess, and whenever there is some rain, the water gets clogged. So yeah, I think that there should be some responsibility that should be taken by BBMP and the government, because we are the ones who are facing the trouble.
But not everyone blamed the government entirely.
Even the common man has to contribute, not just only expect from the government. So it's be 50-50 one.
Some believe that unless citizens are united, the BBMP wouldn't take action. One said filing a case alone wasn't enough. The system will respond only when people come together. A resident defended the government and offered a different view.
The government just didn't do purposefully. It didn't know that it's going to rain, and they can't like manage everyone around. And like, I mean, yeah, sure, you hurt your shoulder, have empathy for that, but questioning BBMP, I don't think they'll solve anything.
Another demanded long-term planning.
There should be some infrastructure to handle rains like this, because it's not like this has happened the first time. This happens every year and year again.
Some felt the issue was being politicized.
कि आई एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट हियर, लेकिन इट इज़ लाइक कि 50 लाख कोई इट इज़ नॉट अ जस्टिफाइड अमाउंट या फिर कि हम उन पे ऐसे ब्लेम कर सकें.
Bengaluru has been crying out for help. The state government heavily relied on the city for revenue, but when it comes to fixing its crumbling infrastructure, promises were made and forgotten. Governments changed, the city's condition didn't. What do you think? Should citizens start charging the system for its failure? Drop your comments below.